Hi, it's Lucas here, and tonight we're crushing the simulations department.
My name is Dániel, and I'm Chief of Simulations of the Stratos 4 project. The simulations team consists of 8 people plus me. We are mainly working on the aerodynamic and trajectory simulations regarding the rocket, which means that we are also working, we have to deal a lot with safety and the safety requirements of the launch site, which makes up a large part of my everyday task. I keep the contact with the launch site provider, and we are iterating on our solutions and methods to reach a common ground where on both sides we agree that it is safe enough for a flight.
I'm part of simulations. So simulation as a team, we're mostly concerned with studying the performance of the rocket, so how high it will go, making sure it goes above 100 kilometers. We're also looking at the safety of the rocket, making sure it doesn't land where it shouldn't land.
How is Danny as a boss?
That's great.
The simulations team, they don't do fun here.
I love him very much. I'm completely not paid to say that.
Danny is not really in charge. I'll give you the scoop. Danny thinks he's in charge.
Ooh.
But it's actually me. I just let him be in charge.
Currently I'm mostly working on distributing all the batches we have to run across multiple cores on the same computer or even multiple computers. The reason for that is that for most of our simulations we have to simulate a lot of different trajectories because we run Monte Carlo simulations, so we vary the parameters for each simulation slightly to see where the rocket could land. Downside of that is that we have to run lots of simulations, which usually takes a lot of time. Could even take like multiple hours, which if we have to run the simulations right before launch is usually not entirely feasible. So that's we have to run them in parallel.
I'm going to show you our mission page. It's amazing. This is actually our new mission page. Just ignore this. I feel like simulations itself is just a meme.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe here.
Okay.
Did you actually spend a lot of time making this?
Way more time than you used to.
You see how the rocket is going downwards?
And you see the problem? I don't think they put a boat tail on this one.
Yeah.
I think that's enough.
Do you need more than that?
No, it's